In a release coming out today, we have learned that Jason Anderson is out for the rest of the season, which means probably we have seen him race the last time for the Kawasaki because, well, the overarching rumor is that Chase Sexton will be moving there for next year. In the actual release saying, quote, rider update, Monster Energy Kawasaki rider Jason Anderson will miss the remainder of the Super Motocross season to focus on his health. The number 21 has shown the speed to run up at the front, but his health has kept him from delivering the consistent results he expects. Anderson and the team have decided it is best for him to take the appropriate amount of time to focus on getting healthy. Obviously, the rumors are that Chase Sexton is moving there in 2026. So this means it's probably the last time, like I said, that we're going to see Anderson on the Kawasaki, and that also means where is he going to be going for 2026. There's the rumors of HEP Suzuki, Club MX. There's also something I think I saw about him and Barsha maybe going to Ducati. So who knows? Kind of sucks to see. I mean, obviously, like I always say, you never want to see anybody get injured or sick or be out racing because you want all the big factory guys out there. You want all the big names out there because it creates the best product from, the TV side of things, from being at the track to, the fans being able to see all their favorite riders, the competition being at the best level it can be. You want all the big name guys, all the fast guys out there. And it's just the best way to make the competition or the championship, I don't want to say interesting, but, more interesting. And obviously this year is pretty much a wash with Jet Lawrence just kind of walking away from everybody, and it doesn't really matter, but you still want to see these guys out there. You want to see the factory bikes, the factory guys, the people who should be competing for podiums and wins and overalls, racing all the time. And I know that's obviously not a feasible thing. Like, obviously there are injuries and stuff that are going to happen and people are going to be out. It just kind of sucks to see, especially for him, on his last year with this ride. Who knows what's going to happen for next year, where he's going to end up, if he's going to get a ride. Obviously, it all kind of dependent on the teams, what he wants, what they want, what they can, negotiate into the middle. And we're just going to have to wait and see on that. Who knows, if it is a Suzuki or Club MX, if he drops down to not a factory squad. I think I saw somewhere a while ago too that he was saying he didn't want to race if it wasn't for a factory squad. So who knows on that one? Correct me if I'm wrong, but we'll see where it comes out. And obviously, until things are signed, until next year really starts, you don't really know. And we just kind of have to play the game of rumor mill and fun. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to any of the upcoming rounds? Have you been to any of them? What do you think of the titles? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.